Good evening everyone. This is my activity number 3, running message using Arduino. First we have the component, the Arduino Uno. Then we have the breadboard. Then we have the LCD 16:2. Then we have the potentiometer. Then last the resistor. $220 ohms. Then we need to connect the 5 volts to positive to of the breadboard. Then from the ground to Arduino, connect to the breadboard. Then the 5 volts, then the ground, then the wiper connected to the contrast of the LCD, then ground, change color to black, then the 5 volts. Then the register select, connect to breadboard and change color. Then the red right, connect to the ground, change color to black. Then this will be connected to the Arduino. Pin output 12, pin 12 of the Arduino. Change color to gray. Change color to gray. Then we have the enable connected to the pin 11 of the Arduino. Change color to brown. Next we have to connect the ground, then the positive to the resistor, then the data pin 7 connected to breadboard, then connect to the Arduino. Pin number 2, change color to pink. Then the D6 connected to the pin number 3 of the Arduino. Change color to blue. Then the D5 will be connected to the pin 4 of the Arduino. It must connect to the breadboard first before connect to the Arduino. Then lastly the D4 connected to pin 5 of the Arduino. I think that's all for our connection. Then we have to put the codes, click blocks, then text, then continue, Control A, then select, paste. I have already my code, then start, boom. This is the output of activity number 3, running message. That's all. Thank you. Keep safe.